Let's sharpen the lines around the grille. It needs to look more aggressive.
Agreed. And widen the wheel arch slightly.
The schematics indicate we need to adjust the torque here.
All right, let's verify the calibration on station 4.
If we adjust the latch mechanism here, it improves the overall fit.
Yes, the schematic shows the updated alignment.
Okay, pull forward slowly, watch your mirrors. Next one, let's go, keep the line moving.
The open road or the road less traveled. The new Toyota RAV4 handles it all with confidence. From winding roads to rugged trails, the Toyota RAV4 is built to explore it all.
With lane assist and our pre-collision system, the RAV4 helps keep you safe on the road.
These new Ergo Comfort seats offer 10-way adjustment. And the intelligent climate system keeps the cabin perfect.
The rear climate can be adjusted independently here.
Ah, and the massage settings are right here. That is very comfortable.
Navigate home.
Calculating the fastest route. In 500 feet, turn left onto Main Street. Navigate to the nearest EV charging station.
From serious cargo capacity to this stunning infotainment display, the RAV4 has you covered. Plus, the driver assistance feature.
The RAV4 offers impressive cargo space and an intuitive infotainment system. And with Toyota Safety Sense,
From serious cargo capacity to this stunning infotainment display, the RAV4 has you covered. Plus, the driver assistance feature.
I absolutely love my new RAV4. It handles like a dream. It's perfect for the city and weekend trips. I highly recommend it. I absolutely love how smooth the drive is.
The technology is super easy to use. Look at this screen.
And the cargo space is perfect for my bike.
Built for life.